This is Mahmoud Miraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. In normally we see the front view, top view and other view, but in here we have just one isometric view and all the dimension here are placed in the isometric view. So first of all I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view I will draw this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 92 by 38 unit. Then I will extrude proceed to 13 unit. So now select the top plane, now sketch, now select the center rectangle, now place the rectangle here, now dimension it to 38 by 92. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 13 unit. Reverse the direction, now press OK. After that, in our sketch we will draw this rectangular shape, and in this rectangular shape it has a dimension of 41 by 104, and this rectangular shape is distance from this line is 116 unit, and from that I will connect these two line, and here from this distance to here we can see it has a distance of 29, and this point to this 29 point we will use the 3-point arc here and dimension and draw a circular arc of 75 radius. Then from that I will draw a slot here, and this slot has a dimension of 50 and it has a distance of 28 from the horizontal line, and distance from vertical line is 22 unit, and this slot has a circular profile of 6.5 radius. Okay, let's start. And for drawing this slot and this shape I will take a reference plane here, and I will first select this face and take a reference plane of 73 unit apart. Okay, I'm selecting this face. Now select reference, now plane, now dimension it to 73 unit. Now reverse the direction, now okay. Now select this plane, now sketch, now normal to it, and here select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle right here, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of 41 by 104 unit. So now select the smart dimension, select this line and select this line and dimension this two line to 116 minus 41 unit. Now select line option and connect this two line. Now I will place a point here in this face, and now go to smart dimension and dimension this point to this point is 29 unit. After that select the 3-point arc option and place a point here, place another point to this point, and now dimension it to 75 radius. After that select line option and connect these two point. Now go to trim option, as we don't need this line so I'll trim this line. Now press OK. Now it's time for drawing the slot shape. For drawing the slot shape, select the straight slot and draw a slot of dimension, horizontal dimension of 50 unit, and the vertical dimension will be twice the radius, so 6.5 multiplied by 2 unit. Now go to smart dimension and dimension from this point to vertical line, it will be 28 unit. And okay, we need also to dimension this line also, so this line was 41 unit. I think there is a mismatch here. So clicking on this and placing it here. Okay, now again select the smart dimension option, select this line and this horizontal line, and dimension here 22 unit. Okay, now it's almost dimension. Now we need to extrude boss it, and we can see we have an extrude boss of 13 unit. So isometric it. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 13 unit here. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now you can hide this plane because we don't need it now. And in here we can see we have a extrude cut rectangular shape here, and this extrude cut rectangular shape has a dimension of 13 by 4 unit, and it is apart from 15.5 unit from this distance. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a corner rectangle. Place a corner rectangle here and dimension it to 13 by 4 unit. Now go to smart dimension and now select this upper line and this top face line, and now dimension it to 15.5 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and now now select the extrude cut option. Now extrude cut it to through all. You can drag the line also. Now press OK. Now it's time to draw this rectangular, this triangular shape. For drawing this triangular shape, we first of all I will draw a plane here. Okay, after drawing that plane, and from that plane I will draw this inclined line, and this inclined line has a dimension of this vertical dimension of 63 unit. So I also assume that this dimension also has 73 minus this 10 units, so it is also this 63 unit. And then so it means I will draw this inclined line, then I will use the rev option and rev it to 6 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Now select reference plane and select a reference plane of 16 unit apart from here, because this dimension is 16, so this dimension to 16 unit. Now flip the offset. Now press OK. Now select this plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select line and draw a inclined line. After drawing this inclined line, now go to smart dimension. Now dimension this point to this line is 63 unit. Now also selected this point to this point 63 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Press OK. Now go to features. Now select the rev option, and from the rev option select the second side, and now dimension it to 6 unit. Now press OK. Now hide this plane. Okay, as you can see we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.